Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope every one of you is fine. Today we are here with another exciting lesson. The topic of today's lesson is Anaconda installation. In previous lesson I told you that computer do only whatever you instruct it to do. It does nothing else. In order to instruct a computer, you need some programming language. Using that language, you can program your computer to perform some computations, and after that computations, your computer remembers the results. So, in order to instruct a computer instructions or algorithm it has to run, you need a programming language. And as I have mentioned in previous lesson, we are going to learn Python programming language in this course. For this purpose, I need a software which I have to install in a computer so that your computer become able to understand the instructions of Python programming language. The software is known as Anaconda. Now let us install it. For this purpose, you have to visit www.anaconda.com. Just use any internet browser of your own choice and visit this website. Now, this is Anaconda website. Here you have to click on products, and here you have to go to individual edition. From here you can click download, and depending upon your operating system you have to select an installer. My operating system is Windows and it is 64-bit. That's why I am going to click here. Depending upon the speed of your internet connection, downloading will take some time. Once downloading is complete, open the installer. It will display this window. Press next. Accept the agreement. Here you can choose whether you want to install just for yourself or for all users. I am selecting this option. Now clicking next. This is the folder where I want to install this software. Click next. Here these are advanced options. Just keep them as such. Click install. Once installation is completed, click next. Again click next and then click finish. Now Anaconda installation is complete. Now let us run Anaconda. Click its icon. Now this is Anaconda Navigator. From here you have to launch Spider. Click launch. Once you open the Spider, it will offer you to install Kite. It is optional. I am not opting it, so I am dismissing. This is the environment where you will do all the stuff in this course. This is console window. Let us try some Python commands. This is print. Whatever you will write inside the commas, it will be printed. This is all done. Hopefully you will be able to install Anaconda on your computer. Once you are done, you are ready to learn Python. In the next lesson, we will start learning Python. Happy learning. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment below. Or if you find any difficulty installing Anaconda, please let me know. Thank you very much.